start. Let's drag the letters. D. 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 Great! D. 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 Well done.
Wow! Wow!
Let's build the puzzle. Great! D is for dog.
Oh, thank you so much.